Obviously, we have lots of kids.
Mr. Awad, you're in a courtroom. Calm down. I'm waiting for your file.
Yeah, Your Honor, he wants an Arabic attorney. He does not want me to represent him.
Okay, well, Mr. Awad, we don't provide attorneys based on their national origin or race or gender or sexual orientation. You don't get to pick that, sir.
All right, what's my crime? What's my crime, my owner?
Your crime is you're charged with a domestic assault and battery.
I'm innocent.
Okay, I understand that.
I take mental medication too.
Your Honor.
All right, well, the allegation is that you hit a doctor in the face and spit on him.
I did not hit nobody in the face. I did not hit nobody in the face.
Mr. Awad, I'm telling you what the allegation is. You are innocent until proven guilty. You asked me, what are they saying you did? And I told you. Do you understand? So, sir, I want you to understand I am not selecting an attorney for you. Quite frankly, it would be problematic if I started appointing attorneys based on race, gender, nationality. So you're not getting an Arabic attorney, period. I'm not doing that. So we have attorneys available. There's Mr. Gazicki. He is assigned to us by the Michigan Indigent Defense Commission, or Mr. Fanto is the other attorney. And those are the two attorneys we have available that you can speak with.
Okay, I want to be out of here, ma'am. Please, want to be out of here. I want to call my mom, tell her I was a good boy.
Okay.
My mom, she can pay my bond. My mom.
Okay, sir, do you want to speak with one of the attorneys that we have available to speak with you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to speak with Mr. Gazicki again?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay, I need you to make a decision, Mr. Awad. You have a right to speak to an attorney if you want an attorney. You have a constitutional right to that.
I don't want an attorney. No, I don't want an attorney to represent me.
You want to represent yourself?
Yes.
Mr. Awad, you understand that under the laws of the state, if you choose to represent yourself, you'll be treated by the same standards as an attorney.
I don't know who to trust anymore. I don't know if I trust you guys for what you guys did to me.
Well, you don't, sir. My job is to be fair and impartial and make rulings. Mr. Fanto and Mr. Gazicki's job is to protect you and your constitutional rights and to give you legal advice and to represent you in court. That is their role.
I want to speak to Mr. Jeff Fanto.
Mr. Fanto, Mr. Awad does not want to speak to Mr. Gazicki. Can you speak with Mr. Awad if we put him in a breakout room?
Sure, Judge.
Okay. All right. Okay. This is 212525, the people versus Ibrahim Awad.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeffrey Fant on behalf of Mr. Awad. Asked the matter to be set for a jury trial. We're going to speak with MIDC about an expert on a competency issue for criminal responsibility purposes that we can't get on the
misdemeanors
normal course.
All right, so we'll figure out a jury trial date. I'll just make a note on the file that you're seeking MIDC assistance.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir. You'll get notice of your next date in the mail. All right, we're all set. Thank you.
You all set?
Yeah, we're all set with Mr. Awad. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, America. Thank you, United States of America. Thank you, police officers.
It is alleged in this case that on or about June 28th, you assaulted Austin Brooks, your spouse. And I know Austin Brooks. This is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. According to the file, you're going to plead to 1 count of domestic assault, and the prosecutor is recommending the deferral. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. Did anyone threaten you to get you to plead to that charge?
No.
Or promise you anything?
No.
All right. On that day, June 28th, did you and your husband get in an argument?
An argument? Yes.
All right. But did it come down to physical striking?
I mean, I guess not really on my part.
Well, what the affidavit says, they got sent to a domestic assault. There was an allegation of infidelity.
Yep.
On his part. And you pulled on his legs and punch him in the stomach is what it says here. All right, well, I got it now. No, I don't need anything. All right. And as you know, I'm aware of your family and what that you've been going through. This took me by surprise. Well, did you hit him in the stomach?
I don't recall hitting him in the stomach. I don't know how much further you want me to elaborate.
Well, I have to establish some sort of physical assault or contact.
Judge, I was the one that got assaulted.
Well, do you want to not plead to this charge?
No, I just wanted to get done and over with.
All right, well, did you hit him back?
My son hit him back.
Tia, when you entered the room and attempted to get him up out of the bed, did you make physical contact with him, grabbing his legs?
I was grabbing his legs, trying to get him out of the bed because my daughter was in the room and I didn't want him to be there. I was trying to get him to leave. And in doing so, he was being the one that was aggressive and
Sort this out. All right, what he told me is enough. Now, as you know, how is he doing with alcohol?
I mean, he's going to AA and
Well,
trying to get his life together, but
was
on that day,
alcohol involved in this incident?
absolutely.
All right.
Not on my part, but on his.
So he had been drinking on that day.
100%.
And I'm sorry to hear that because he had been doing good, but now he's sort of trying to get back into recovery.
Yeah.
All right. Who's staying where?
Austin is staying at his dad's house and I'm staying at our residence.
And that's something I'd like to address before we finish with Ms. Brooks today.
Well, all right, go ahead.
So, Mr. Brooks, I understand he's contacted Magistrate Lori, taking the wrong direction there. He's also contacted the prosecutor regarding the no contact that was pending prior to today. It's both my understanding that his desire and Ms. Brooks's desire is to remain married, to work on things, and there's a no contact order. And there's also a young child, and that significantly complicates the co-parenting situation. So that's the no contact be lifted pending.
Well, you got some teenage boys too, don't you?
Yes, but one of the teenage boys was the one that went to defend me after what had happened to me by my husband.
Yeah, there is a son that was charged in the same transaction. It's already disposed of his case.
Because I got hit as well.
All right.
And we're trying to do just like family counseling.
Well, you had done some heavy duty family counseling when I was working with Austin. As much as anybody that I had seen in a while.
Well, since then we have a 5-year-old daughter and we're just really trying to get back into that family counseling, but with the no contact order, that kind of makes it impossible to do.
As the song says, you don't know what you got till it's gone.
You're absolutely right, Your Honor.
But I'm not going to lift the no contact order, but I'm going to try to set this for sentencing ASAP.
And in case it wasn't noted, this is a deferral situation.
Yes, even so, I need victim input. I'm all in favor of a deferral here. With a deferral, I'm gonna put you on probation. You're going to probably do the women's anger management program, which you will actually get great benefit from. You'll like it.
I do know that my caseworker is here and she has, also, talked to me about doing the DASIS program through Pivotal.
All right, well, this is our program and it's state certified and you're gonna like it.
Okay,
So don't do anything yet till I talk to you next Wednesday.
okay.
Who's your caseworker through Pivotal?
Yeah, her name is Lauren Falkenstein.
All right, I'm gonna give you a notice. I want victim input. Is Austin still at Yoder's?
No, he got fired from his job because of this.
He was employee of the year and now he's fired.
Yes.
Alcohol can certainly turn your life upside down.
Yes.
Well, Ms. Brooks, we have two other matters we can't deal with until 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna ask you to stick around, but I'm gonna set this for Wednesday. That's a very short turnaround, September 11th at 11.
Okay.
How would you give this to her? Need victim input and police report.
So do I do anything with this until then? Do I need to go downstairs? Or?
Nope.
Okay,
I'll just see you then.
okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.